good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can make Google Chrome as your default browser on Android. See here, this is on my Android mobile. Along with the Google Chrome, I have one more browser which is Opera. Say for example, you have another browsers also like Brave or Mozilla Firefox or whatever it may be. Okay, Edge browser, whatever it may be. When I get links on Flipkart or Instagram or other apps, when I tap on that, the links are getting are opened in another browser instead of Chrome. How you can make Google Chrome your default browser? Click on your Android phone settings. Okay, here just scroll down until you see this option called apps. Where is this apps here? Click on this apps here, then scroll down until you find this option called default apps. Under default apps you will see the browser app. Tap on this and see here, if it is set to something else, if it is kept to something else, just put it to Chrome. Done. Now your Android mobile, the default browser you have set to Google Chrome. Now the links whatever you click in other applications will just open the links in the Chrome browser. If you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.